Okay, so it is the 27th of July. This is always so crooked in my videos. It's the 27th of July and my birthday is on Friday. It's the 31st. Honestly, I'm not going to do much this week. I don't know. I don't think so. But I said I haven't done a vlog in a while, so let's do a birthday week vlog. So we're starting today on Monday. I was supposed to do a photo shoot. So rush them say that I will be doing a photo shoot either today or tomorrow because I'm currently in Portland and I'm leaving on Wednesday to go back to Kingston because apparently I might have plans for the weekend. Who knows? Yeah, I told them I don't want to do the photo shoot today because I don't know, I'm just, the anxiety is kicking in and I just said not today. Worse, I don't have any gel. I wanted to do my slick down style because I don't have anything else to do with my hair, and yeah, a lot of things aren't going my way right now, so I couldn't get my hair done any other way, or I couldn't get a wig in time. So the slick down is gonna be it for the style. Yeah, so I have to go into town now. I'm gonna get some gel. I also have another dress. I said that if my other dress that I'm making for my birthday doesn't work out, then I'll have another simple dress to wear. It's not really that big of a deal to me, but I low-key want the dress that I was asking to get made. But if that doesn't work out, then I'll have another dress. I don't think I'm going to vlog when I'm on the road today because yeah, I still don't really like vlogging in public, and I'm also not in the mood. So yeah, if I sound kind of stuffy, just ignore that. I'm not sick, I promise. There's a fan right in front of me, and when I have the fan directly on me, sometimes I just get really congested. Anyways, see you in the next clip. I don't even know what's gonna be, but yeah. So this is today was day? Tuesday?
Wednesday. Tuesday?
No, today Tuesday. Okay, this is day 2 of my birthday week, and my want to shoot without concept, without clothes, without a lot of things, but you know, Rush and Joel love me, so you know.
I joke. It's joke. Joke.
Them love me. Love, the strong word. Make them feel like a chick when I say them don't love me. Okay? But yeah, I got this fit from Urbana Stride. This was the only thing in the store that could kind of fit me.
That look nice for you.
Thank you. Alright. Thank y'all. Yeah, this is the only thing that the store could have kind of fit me. It still don't fit the way I want it to, but I can't help it at this point. No matter if me eat 6 dumplings a day, not gonna help me. I tried that. I don't eat chicken now.
You don't eat chicken? You don't eat the most common food?
That's why I don't eat it anymore. I'm tired of it. Like, I'm tired. I'm sick of chicken. I'm low-key pescatarian, guys. Also, I got my nails done today, but they're press-ons. Thank you. Yeah. Big up my nail tech Tika. And this is the view for today. This is the. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye. This is not cute. Local. That's not cute. But you can't tell that in the pictures. Don't be like me.
In Alabama, with this racist. with its governor having his.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer.
So they must stress me. They really stress me. The pose is over there, so we're not working out for me. But you know, I'm at a new spot over here, and it's at work. It's at work. So I'm gonna go down there now and see what else I can get. And hopefully that is the last location, cause I guess that take me. I done mag already. Them starts in my ribs and that trouble me. But it's okay. Man, you know, so the man they try to tuck in my ribs. Tuck in my ribs. Tell me now if you never hear so somebody a tuck in people ribs. And y'all laugh like it's funny. It's not funny. Yet yo. That's why if you stop trouble me. Chop. Oh, the sun is nice right here.
Glowing.
Bombat. Woo! Don't. Oh my god. Wow. I never do bad on the makeup at all. So I never need nobody. Never need nobody. Anyways, bye.
Different prayer, Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my way of ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she goes, they play all the songs. That's why I said things that I changed that way. I know you can't ignore me. But so. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down. Yes, sir. Okay. We used to lay up and then stay up, had been blow. I shouldn't have played no games, but you just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you, we ain't speak. That was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do. Man, it's true. X is change, yeah. Hey, guess you changed for the better. Better. I know you know how to make it better.
I'm tired. I'm hungry. Yes, I take me up. This is starvation. No wonder my friggin' ribs are sure. Okay, so I am continuing my quote-unquote birthday vlog. I'm trying. I know I look bad for my birthday, but it is what it is. It's whatever. Okay? I was supposed to go to Dolphin Cove. You hear them people that chatting on my vlog? I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I'm gonna try this again later. Okay? Okay.
I'll let you tell it, yo, but I'm ready to fix it. If you ready, baby, so. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me.
So now I feel like vlogging. So we're supposed to go to Dolphin Cove today, but that ain't happened because it was pouring, like real rain, and we're supposed to stay at this villa. I don't remember the name of it right now. Yeah, it was pouring, and then some mix-up happened and we couldn't get to stay at that villa, so we ended up staying at another one. We ended up coming to another one with a pool and whatever, because I still wanted to go to some kind of water body. So we're at, I think it's Columbus Heights, I'm not sure, but yeah, so we're here now. And tomorrow I might go to Blue Hole, and excuse me, I rescheduled Dolphin Cove for Sunday. So yeah, hopefully on Sunday we get to go there. If not, then I don't mind. I eventually enjoyed my birthday, which is today, if I didn't say it earlier. It started out horrible because first of all we were late to go to Dolphin Cove, then it started raining, and I actually ball. Come a ball every year. But really start ball. But you know, they came in clutch. They came in clutch, and I feel a lot better. Honestly, I can say that this is one of my best birthdays. Yeah, it's the first time I'm actually doing something. So yeah. All right, thank you. Wait, no. All right. Ain't no waiting. Dale, I had faith in you.
Too close.
Damn.
Damn.
I started to panic.
Y'all have to be on the same level. Not thieving. Wait, which category is this?
Category 1 freestyle.
All right. Category 1 freestyle. On your marks. Get set. Go. Yeah. Y'all let a girl beat your asses. She beat your ass. Good morning. It's the day after my birthday. Ow. It's the day after my birthday. I know I didn't vlog a lot yesterday, but girl was having fun. Like I just couldn't. I was just enjoying it because this is not something that happens a lot. Like I don't really enjoy birthdays. If you know me, my birthday is trash almost every year. So the fact that I had a good one, I had to enjoy it. I know I look rough. Like I went in the pool yesterday and this happened to my hair. I mean, I think it kind of looks so before still, but it look worse now. You get me? So today, the birthday continues. We're going to Blue Hole, probably Spanish Bridge. Not sure. We might go to both. Who knows? It is now 9 o'clock, and then people are waiting me. You look at on the phone?
No. I just fall over. You can continue your story. I just wanted to know what myself.
I want me to do it again. Oh yeah.
Plan for today is we're making up for tomorrow.
Making up for yesterday.
Yes, bro. You see, I'm not high.
It's too early.
Yeah,
it's too early.
Okay, so yeah, we're making up for yesterday, and we're going to have some fun. And then tomorrow, we're going to make up for the past 2 days, and we're going to just Dolphin Cove.
Hopefully, if it doesn't rain.
I'll wake up everybody, you know. I don't care who wants.
No,
Vex.
but we have to reach
I
by,
don't care.
By
who wants
10,
Vex.
so we can't do nothing earlier than that.
No, but you have to get ready by 9, cause everybody.
By
has
9?
Yeah.
By 10. The first trip
No,
is
by
10:15.
like 9:45, everybody have to be ready and ready to go to the car. Cause you know who you're rolling with. Then we have to smoke a spliff before them leave, and then we spliff between everything. Wake up, spliff, eat spliff, shower, spliff, dress,
spliff.
spliff.
That's true. Yeah, yesterday it was rained out. Apparently that's blessings. Something could have happened wrong yesterday, so honestly probably happened for a reason, so I'm fine. But luckily there was a pool, so it wasn't that bad. I still got to go in some type of water, cause I know I love water. So yeah, Spanish Bridge or Blue Hole today. So I keep on getting distracted. What am I saying? Yeah, I'll vlog some more when we go out on the road today. I mean, if we don't go to Blue Hole or Spanish Bridge, we'll find somewhere else to go because we're planning to make my birthday weekend. So, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Chef it up, you know. Really don't.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys. Continuing the vlog. I'm a very bad vlogger. I know this. But we finally reached Blue Hole. Now we're walking up to the top. And woo! The guys are already way ahead of us. Cause them does not have no patience whatsoever. And I'm literally walking barefoot. Everybody else have on them slippers and them shoes, but you know, a real country girl, you know, easy. I'm so tired. I must say, this birthday weekend is going great so far. But yeah.
Hey, Andrew, swim like the sea. Swim like the sea. Here, Stella. This is a nice guy. Ready? You got them, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Talk to people, them brother. Yeah, you look so good right now. Tell them how you feel.
My head hurts.
Jan. Oh.
Ooh, a little bit strong. Oh man, it's one mix up. So, we're currently at Dolphin Cove. I've never been here. This is my first time. I thought that. I'm dead. No,
Ready that out to the vlog. Ready that out.
One of the
one of the. Oh, how much for it?
You gonna get some what?
Locker. So. We meet again.
She's alive, guys.
And I'm well.
Okay, she's alive.
Barely.
So all not kill up on herself, like when I never get drunk in her life yet. I'm like, what is the big deal?
I'm still here.
She's supposed to call me a mist. Up here's a little bit humid, guys. I'm gonna remove the clothing soon to go swim with the dolphins.
Yes,
but I'm just here to make a quick PSA that she's alive. Okay.
Amen.
We've all gotten a little bit inebriated in life, you know. Everybody has one or more, 2 libations in life.
It's never that serious.
I mean, it's never that serious. But I guess when you can type to the phone battery dead, that's on period.
That's on period.
So, I mean,
Don't care, won't ever care.
ooh,
It's okay.
ooh. And what's that, people? Facts.
On here, I'm alive and I'm well. And we're going to continue Shelby shenanigans, whether y'all like it or not.
And that's on what?
Period.
Cool.
Big facts. On God. Literally the night before, I had a dream. Alright, I'm not gonna hear because of the water, but I had a dream that I came to Dolphin Cove and I was there swimming with the dolphins. And you know what happened? The dolphin dragged me by my ears and carried me out to sea and just swim me left, right, and center. And then I died. That's the dream that I had. So I kind of never want to come, but you know, I'm overcoming my fears. I don't fear dolphins, you know. So you gotta be proud of me. You gotta be proud of me, girl. So them people here say no cameras allowed while swimming with the dolphins. Tell me how that makes sense. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a vlogger. How the hell?
Not even just you, honey. Oh, everybody are gonna do it.
Oh, everybody are
everybody
gonna
gonna do
do
it.
it. Me go catch my phone somewhere and it have to catch
Everybody should
because
the
it not
same.
go so. It's as simple as that. Okay? I heard that they're really squishy. Like I saw on Twitter when somebody's going like
Every 2 hours?
just a go, you know, just a person.
So extremely smooth and slimy, or like what? Happened was
Listen, we got away. We got to do a lot more stuff than we should have because we signed up for the swim adventure and we're kind of the teeth way. I'm going kind of teeth way. I'm going with Perry because he was doing royal swim. I'm gonna get like 3 rides or more. Yeah, I'm grateful. I loved it. Love it, love it, loved it. And I'm glad I caught it on the sale. Best birthday weekend ever.
What? The birthday festive.
Bad.
Festive.
Festive.
Girl, the plant and touchings, you know, the water and touchings.
Face forward.
Oh my god, they look so good.
Thumbnail.
So smart.
So I'm all changed. And it looks like it's gonna rain. Kinda-ish, not sure. But I'm finished. My hair is a mess. We came to Richmond after I went to Dolphin Cove, so now we're at Richmond Estate. This was my room. I really can't show much. Don't worry about my outfit and don't worry about my dirty bag strap. It got dirty. For whatever reason. We're actually leaving now. And the lady literally outside I wait for pack up things and leave. But of course, everybody's late. Nobody does shit on time. So that's what we're doing. Waiting. I want everybody to get the hell out. This is what,
Let me get to I'm not sure. I'm looking too good. Let me get to the vlog. Whoa. Back again.
and leaving this time.
Are we? Are you sure?
At this point?
Are you sure?
Because every time I think we're leaving,
I thought we were leaving yesterday. That did not happen.
no, we're going home for real. Get back to reality. I got shit to do. I think we all have shit to do.
I don't want to go back. Shelby, don't take me back. Shelby, just like, I don't know, just throw me away. Like, just leave me on the side of the road.
That's fine.
And I'll figure it out.
That's fine.
But stay with me. We'll figure it out together. I can't stay by myself. I just realized that. Man, you can't leave one skinny person now. If you, at least if you have two skinny people, it can kind of work. Oh my God. I show people them things. Whoa. Bumbo
I'm dead. I'm dead. That's what the rest of that looks like. And then we come in here.
Everybody do a check, please. Make sure you have everything. What? Somebody probably in here, honey.
This, I think this is in there. So, I am finally back in Kingston. I am so tired. I am so tired. I am pooped. It was a great Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It was a great 4 days. I enjoyed my birthday. This is the best birthday to date, and I want to thank everybody that helped in making this birthday vacation possible. Like, if it weren't for you guys, I'd probably be at home again in my bed, just responding to everybody telling me happy birthday and doing nothing, because that's what I always do, other than the times when Shadi camera out. But yeah, I would be doing that. And this, I'm just so grateful that I actually got to enjoy it. Like, I've never had a birthday weekend. That's crazy to me. Like, it's just so crazy to me. I'm so appreciative and I'm so grateful. I didn't want to leave. But you know, I have to get back to reality. I have stuff to do. I have the people in work to go do. Even though, like, my laptop has been giving so much trouble. I need new memory or something. Like, every time I start something, I'll be like, yes, it's working. And then when I'm almost finished, it starts acting up. Laptop start misbehave, and it's like I miss deadlines. And because I really don't like unprofessionalism, so sometimes, like, if I realize I'm too far off, like with the deadlines, I'll throw in something else. Or my clients know what I do when I miss deadlines and whatever, and they appreciate it, etc. But yeah, that's not about work. We're talking about my birthday weekend. We're talking about my little vacation. You know what it is. Yeah, so I'm really grateful, as I keep saying. And yeah, that's the end of this vlog. I have not vlogged in forever. I literally just did not know what to say. It's like I'm still not used to people looking at me while I'm on my phone talking to myself. So yeah, that was kind of still weird for me. I don't think I will ever get used to that. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Yeah.